Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'd like to share with you a couple of things. First, I have a mystery bundle from April. I'm going to open that up for you, as well as I'm going to show you a couple of personalizations. I know I love seeing personalizations, and I thought you might too. So let's start with mystery bundle. This was the special for April, where you could add on a $20 mystery bundle with a qualifying purchase. This was in Canada, so the qualifying purchase was $40, and this is what I received in my mystery bundle. This is a pattern that's no longer available. I was really happy to receive this because, for one, this is one of my favorite bags. It's the first 31 bag that I ever had. I absolutely love all the pockets. It's a zip top organizing utility tote, and it is just gorgeous in this color. And to top it off, to go with that in my mystery bundle, I'm super excited to receive a Swap It pocket. So this is the smaller of the two Swap It pockets, and it's in a really nice coordinating color. This is actually a color that I really like. It's got a pretty pattern. It's very subtle, and it was a beautiful surprise to receive as a mystery bundle with all the pockets inside and the zippers with all the space. I could see using this for crafting actually, or I know it's meant to sort of put in a purse and then swap between bags, which would be also very handy. So definitely we'll find a great use for this, and this really pretty and subtle pattern is perfect for me. Speaking of which, I wanted to show you another add-on that I did for $20. This was also the special for the month of May and April. So at the end of April, they allowed us to have the last weekend where we could add on either May or April specials. So this was an add-on that you can still get for the month of May. And I wanted to show you my customization because I put the feathers with my initial T, and I wanted it to be very subtle and to sort of blend into the bag, but to be a nice sort of personalized touch on my tote. You could see that I like purple. I actually was using this as a volleyball bag on Thursday night, and I was showing another girlfriend of mine who loves 31, and I just happened to be wearing gray and purple and black that day. And I'm like, geez, do you think these are my colors? So I really like this combination. It's very subtle. I did a gorgeous personalization with this bag in the ombre stripe, and I picked the anchor in orange and the letters in the hot pink for the initials, and I gave it to my mother-in-law who owns a sailboat, and it looked stunning. I wish I still had a picture to show you. In fact, I'll superimpose a picture in the video. So I want to show you a couple other personalizations. Speaking of initials with the feather monogram, my girlfriend got this gorgeous, very classic initial, her first letter initial with the feathers on either side. This is in the Large Utility Tote, and she also did the same personalization on her Fresh Market Thermal, which is a super stunning combination and something that you could see traveling with both of those together. So that is really very pretty on both of those bags. Again, it's not like a super bright, bold pattern, so this charcoal is perfect for personalizing because it makes things really stand out. I know I like to see personalizations on things to get ideas about what looks good, so I thought I would share those with you. And I have one other personalization, a monogram on one of the street style Black Beauty Pebble purses, and this is actually the one from the catalog. The girl who ordered this one said, I want exactly like that on the page. This was her initial and everything. So again, that lavender with a wreath in the initial, so you can see there's a theme going on here. A lot of people are going for the purple. I believe this lavender thread is going away at the end of May, if I'm not mistaken. So if you have a chance, personalize with it before it's gone because it really looks very pretty. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.